Welcome to Web Design, a 5-week online course offered by the Interactive Arts and Media Department at Columbia College in Chicago. My name's David Knopfs and I'll be your instructor for the next 5 weeks. This course is designed for beginners, people who are complete novices in the area of web design, or perhaps people who have dabbled a little bit in creating blogs or websites through hosting services. And lastly, students who may be interested for one reason or another, just understanding how websites actually work. How do people actually put together content, develop it, design it, and finally upload it to a website for access by people across the internet. So we will start out by going through the basic architecture of the course, to understanding some basics about HTML and CSS, so how we actually create web pages that can be viewed on the World Wide Web. Then we'll look at adding text to our pages, adding graphics, eventually more interactive media, image galleries, movies, audio files, and perhaps even some interactivity, creating forms using different types of scripting languages such as PHP and JavaScript. Although we won't be doing a lot of ground-up coding, we'll certainly be looking at how to embed snippets of code into our web pages to make them more interesting and engaging for users. So the way the course works will be that each week I will send out an announcement to the entire class via the Canvas Learning Management System at Columbia College Chicago. These announcements will have instructions about how to complete the week's work, the various readings, video tutorials to view, and finally any assignments that are due at the end of each week. I will also provide the course content in weekly modules that you can navigate on your own. They will be inside the Canvas Learning Management System. You will see them as weekly modules, week 1, week 2, week 3, etc. And so if you ever get lost, you can simply go to the left-hand menu in the Canvas Learning Management System, look for the modules link, click on that, and navigate from the course from top to bottom, just making sure that you've covered all of the tutorials and assignments as you go. If you ever get really lost or just have questions or just need a little bit of hand-holding ever, please feel free to reach out to me via email or through the messaging system in Canvas. You can reach me by simply clicking on the People link in the left-hand menu of Canvas, and then looking for my name, clicking on that, and looking for the familiar email envelope icon at the top of the page. Click on that and then send me a message. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, maybe not immediately, but certainly within 48 hours at latest. Lastly, there is a discussion board inside the course in Canvas that's called Ask the Instructor. You can always post questions in there, queries, comments, anything you want, and we can talk to each other. I'll get back to you once again as soon as I can. But in the discussion board, of course, I can add videos showing you how to do things or upload images a little bit easier than I can with messaging or email. So good luck with the course. It's a fascinating subject. It really is an amazing science, web design, and how to create fantastic pages for the World Wide Web. So all the best and happy web designing.